Hello! Today we talk about ancient Rome. It was big, it was strong, it was an empire. Ancient Rome started in Italy, but it grew fast. It became very powerful. The Roman Empire was very large. It had many lands, it had many people. It went across Europe, Asia, and Africa. The Romans built roads. The roads were long and strong. They helped soldiers travel fast. People lived in big cities. One big city was Rome. It had shops, schools, and homes. Some people were rich, some were poor, but all lived under Roman law. Romans built big things. They built temples and theaters. They built the Colosseum. The Colosseum was for games. People watched fights there. It was very loud and full of people. Rome had a strong army. Roman soldiers wore armor. They carried swords and shields. They marched in lines. They followed rules. They protected the empire. Rome had emperors. An emperor was the ruler. He gave orders to everyone. One famous emperor was Julius Caesar. Another was Augustus. They wanted peace and control. Romans liked to relax. They went to hot baths. They talked and washed there. They wore tunics and togas. Their clothes were light and simple. Romans ate bread, cheese, and fruit. They drank wine and water. They used clay plates and cups. They sat on couches and ate with friends. They loved music and stories. Romans spoke Latin. They wrote on stone, wax, and paper. They had books and scrolls. They wrote laws and poems. Some of their words are used today. Ancient Rome is gone, but its ideas live today. They gave roads, laws, and buildings. They gave books, art, and words. Ancient Rome was strong, smart, and full of life. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and tell what you think in the comments.